Rifts, get him to the markers.
No.
That's why I have said be on this side of the boss and not the other side of the boss.
High
I'm gonna try to bait red. Well, you know what I mean.
Yeah. Okay, dunk him in. Watch the beam. We're putting them on these markers. I taunted back, sorry. Okay, rifts to the markers.
No.
Those are great. Beautiful.
High energy.
Okay, take him in.
Going green.
Beam.
Job, everybody. One more line of these in front of them. It can kind of go anywhere on this wall. Anywhere on that entry wall. Or the first wall.
No.
Great job.
High energy. AOE.
Okay, take him in. Dragging him right over things.
Beam.
Watch the beam. Alright, stuff up to the door where we came in.
Back innervate.
Okay, just in a line.
No.
That's great. I'm gonna move her back a little bit after this. Breath is coming out right after
High
this.
energy. Beam.
Get him up. We're putting on this far side now. Position
Hey.
accordingly. Dog, go ahead and roar. Put him out on the far side. We're just flipping the fight from here.
No.
I did it in a line, but spread it. Yeah.
AOE.
Okay. Rays go in.
Laser on you. Run.
High energy.
Really nice job, everybody. Watch the beam. I'm gonna move her a tiny bit. We're going up on the corner with markers on these. Go, 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 go.
I got no room.
Knock back.
Jarko rally.
Oh, good totem.
I'm going wide inside.
I'm going
Or
the
hit
really
yours.
awkward back one.
High energy.
Appreciate you.
Oh, you motherfucker!
Sheesh.
Yep, we're fine. We're fine. Riffs up to the
No.
front. Don't get knocked into something. Good job.
I got one of the two back ones that are really weird.
That AMS.
High energy.
All right, we're gonna put them kind of there. Yep, get Jeremy up. If you have to just kite these, you can drop
No.
these. Let's do this. Drop these wherever you want. Let me hold her.
Riz
Just
is out.
kite. Just kite
I'm
the
gonna
beams.
save that.
Just
Okay, I
kite.
have
Just kite the beams. Take it, Jeremy.
Yeah, take it, Jeremy.
Nice.
Any DPS is good. Nice job, guys.
Sorry, Tangy, that was me.
It's okay.
Yo, Tinky called that shit too.
No, okay, so he called it, and like, I was like in my shit, and I was like already back there. It
Yeah,
was-
that is
it
a
was
very
fun.
long first fight.
Look at that.
I thought you were getting
Leech.
the non-awkward one that was.
I
just,
was too, and then Clam said, "I'm getting the one all the way to the left,"
Oh,
and you know, I'm on push to talk, so it was like a kind of difficult thing.
No, that
that's
was good.
fine.
We'll use that strat each week.